Measuring rotational speed with precision is essential in everything from automotive work to industrial maintenance, and digital laser tachometers make the job faster and more accurate than ever. These handheld tools use non-contact laser technology to safely read RPMs from a distance, offering clear displays, reliable readings, and user-friendly operation. We're counting down the 5 best digital laser tachometers that stand out for their accuracy, durability, and overall performance. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Habotest HT670 Digital Laser Tachometer. Measuring rotational speed accurately becomes far easier when the tool removes the need for physical contact, complicated setup, or risky positioning near moving mechanical parts. This device immediately stands out as a practical diagnostic instrument designed for technicians, DIY mechanics, engineers, and maintenance users who need quick RPM measurements without direct interference with the equipment being tested. Rather than functioning as a niche specialist gadget, it presents itself as a broadly useful measurement tool that balances safety, portability, and precision in a very practical format. The most compelling feature is the non-contact laser measurement capability. Traditional contact-based RPM tools can be inconvenient, slower to use, and potentially risky when working around fast-moving motors, fans, pulleys, or engine components. A laser-based non-contact design changes that experience entirely by allowing rotational speed measurement from a safe distance. That not only improves convenience, but also significantly enhances operational safety, especially when dealing with machinery that would be uncomfortable or dangerous to approach physically while running. The measurement range is another standout strength. Covering speeds from 2.5 RPM all the way to 99,999 RPM gives this tool remarkable versatility across a wide range of applications. Lower speed sensitivity makes it useful for slower rotating machinery, while the extremely high upper limit opens the door for motor diagnostics, engine analysis, industrial equipment checks, fan testing, and other precision measurement tasks. That kind of range makes the device feel far more capable than a single-purpose hobby instrument. Accuracy and usability are strongly supported by the digital LCD display with backlight. Measurement tools become frustrating very quickly if readings are difficult to interpret, particularly in dim workspaces, workshops, engine bays, or field environments. The backlit display improves readability significantly, making the tool much easier to use in practical real-world conditions rather than ideal bright lighting only. Pros: non-contact safety, wide RPM range, portable design, backlit display. Cons: battery not included, reflective target needed. Number 4. Swevy SW6236C Digital Laser Tachometer. When working with motors, rotating machinery, engines, or precision mechanical systems, accurate speed measurement can make the difference between guesswork and informed troubleshooting. This instrument presents itself as a versatile professional-style RPM measurement tool built for users who need fast, reliable rotational speed analysis without physically interfering with moving equipment. Combining digital laser tachometer functionality with stroboscopic measurement capability makes it feel notably more capable than a simple entry-level RPM reader. The most attractive feature is the broad measurement range. Supporting rotational speed readings from 2.5 RPM all the way to 99,999 RPM gives this device impressive flexibility across an unusually wide variety of applications. Low-speed capability makes it practical for slower mechanical systems, while the high upper limit allows confident use with fast motors, engine components, industrial fans, workshop machinery, and precision rotating assemblies. A tool with this kind of range feels far more useful long-term because it adapts across multiple diagnostic scenarios instead of being restricted to narrow applications. The laser measurement functionality immediately improves convenience and safety. Contact-based speed measurement tools often require awkward positioning or direct interaction with moving mechanical parts, which introduces both inconvenience and potential risk. A laser-based approach allows RPM analysis from a safer distance, reducing user exposure to rotating equipment while making measurements faster and easier to perform. That practical safety improvement becomes especially valuable in workshop, industrial, and maintenance environments where speed and confidence matter. What makes this model particularly interesting is the stroboscopic measuring capability. Standard tachometers are excellent for straightforward RPM readings, but stroboscopic functionality introduces an additional layer of visual diagnostic usefulness. In mechanical troubleshooting, stroboscopic measurement can help analyze rotational movement behavior more dynamically, making this tool feel more professional and versatile than basic digital alternatives. Pros: wide RPM range, laser safety, stroboscopic function, certified reliability. Cons: battery required, technique dependent. Number 3. Uni-T UT373 Digital Laser Tachometer. For anyone who needs quick rotational speed measurements without getting dangerously close to moving mechanical parts, a compact, non-contact tachometer like this becomes an incredibly practical diagnostic companion. Rather than being a bulky specialist instrument reserved only for industrial technicians, this model appears designed to make RPM measurement accessible, portable, and straightforward for mechanics, engineers, hobbyists, and maintenance users who need reliable speed readings with minimal setup complexity. The strongest immediate advantage is the non-contact laser measurement design. Measuring RPM without physically touching rotating equipment dramatically improves both safety and convenience. Traditional contact tools can require awkward positioning and introduce risk when working near fans, pulleys, motors, engine components, or machinery operating at high speed. A laser-based solution eliminates that direct interaction, allowing measurements from a safer distance while making the process much faster and more comfortable. The RPM measurement range is especially practical. Supporting speeds from 10 RPM up to 99,999 RPM makes this instrument useful across a wide variety of real-world applications. Lower range capability allows slower mechanical systems to be measured effectively, while the extremely high upper limit ensures compatibility with faster motors, industrial equipment, and performance diagnostics. That kind of range means the tool remains useful across many projects rather than becoming limited to a narrow set of use cases. Portability is another major strength. The compact mini format makes this especially appealing for mobile mechanics, field service technicians, maintenance workers, and hobby users who need measurement tools that travel easily. A diagnostic device becomes far more valuable when it is easy enough to carry regularly instead of being left behind because of size or inconvenience. The backlit LCD display also contributes meaningfully to usability. Measurements often need to be taken in less than ideal lighting conditions, such as workshops, engine bays, machine rooms, garages, or outdoor environments. A readable illuminated display makes quick interpretation far easier, improving efficiency during active diagnostic work. Pros: safe measurement, compact design, wide RPM range, easy readability. Cons: reflective setup needed, basic specialist scope. Number 2, Habotest HT671 Digital Laser Tachometer. Most handheld tachometers are designed around a single measurement style, which works well until the moment a different diagnostic situation demands more flexibility. This model immediately becomes more interesting because it avoids that limitation entirely, combining both contact and non-contact measurement modes into one versatile diagnostic instrument. For technicians, mechanics, engineers, and maintenance users who work across different equipment types, that dual functionality dramatically expands practical usefulness and makes this feel far more capable than a standard laser RPM reader. The standout feature is unquestionably the 2-in-1 measurement flexibility. Non-contact laser tachometers are ideal when safety and convenience matter, especially around high-speed rotating components where physical contact would be impractical or risky. Measuring from a distance keeps the user clear of moving fans, motors, pulleys, and machinery while still delivering fast RPM readings. At the same time, contact measurement becomes extremely valuable when direct physical verification is preferred, or when measuring applications where laser targeting is less practical. Having both methods in one tool removes the need to own separate instruments and greatly improves adaptability. The RPM range is highly impressive. Non-contact measurement reaching up to 999 RPM creates broad compatibility for motors, engines, fans, industrial equipment, and mechanical assemblies operating across a huge speed spectrum. Contact RPM capability up to 20,000 RPM is also substantial, offering plenty of headroom for most direct measurement applications. This kind of range makes the instrument feel genuinely professional rather than entry-level. What significantly increases versatility is the inclusion of linear speed measurement modes. Being able to measure inches per minute, feet per minute, and meters per minute transforms the device from a simple RPM tool into a broader motion measurement instrument. That opens practical use cases in conveyor systems, wire feed mechanisms, rollers, manufacturing equipment, and mechanical inspection work where rotational speed alone is not enough. Pros: dual measurement, linear speed, advanced monitoring, threshold alerts. Cons: more complex operation. Number 1 and the winner is CEM AT10 Digital Laser Tachometer. Precision measurement tools become truly valuable when they combine speed, flexibility, and professional-level capability without making operation unnecessarily complicated. And this model immediately stands out as a far more serious diagnostic instrument than a typical entry-level tachometer. With both contact and non-contact measurement capability, extremely broad RPM coverage, and high-resolution accuracy, it feels designed for users who need dependable performance across automotive, mechanical, industrial, and technical applications rather than simple occasional hobby use. The most striking feature is the extraordinary measurement range. Supporting rotational speeds from as low as 2 RPM all the way up to 200,000 RPM places this in an impressively capable category. That kind of flexibility makes the instrument relevant across an unusually wide spectrum of applications, from slow-moving mechanical systems and calibration tasks to extremely high-speed motors, engine diagnostics, industrial equipment, and precision technical testing. A tool with this much measurement headroom feels significantly more future-proof than limited-range alternatives. The dual measurement mode is another major strength. Non-contact laser measurement provides outstanding convenience and safety, allowing RPM readings from a distance without physically interacting with moving machinery. This is especially useful around engines, fans, wheels, pulleys, and high-speed components where direct contact would be awkward or potentially unsafe. Contact mode dramatically expands capability further by enabling direct physical speed verification where laser targeting may be less ideal. Having both options in a single instrument transforms the device from a specialized tachometer into a far more adaptable diagnostic tool. Sampling speed also deserves real attention. A rapid 0.5-second response time above 120 RPM significantly improves workflow efficiency, particularly when testing multiple systems or monitoring changing mechanical behavior. Slow measurement tools quickly become frustrating in practical environments, so faster response improves the real user experience more than many buyers initially realize. Pros: massive RPM range, dual modes, fast sampling, high precision. Cons: advanced learning curve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.